Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. Today, I'm going to show you how to use promo money on PrizePicks. Promo money, also called bonus balance, is a special credit you receive from offers or promo codes. You can see any active promotions right in your account. The best part? You don't have to do anything extra to use it. PrizePicks will automatically apply your bonus balance first whenever you enter a lineup. When setting up a lineup, just pick 2 to 6 players, choose more or less, and select your play style, whether flex or power. Keep in mind, you can't withdraw the promo money directly. However, if your promo balance is less than the entry cost, the remainder will be taken from your real account balance. Some promo offers also have time limits, usually around 30 days, so make sure to use them before they expire. So basically, just create a normal lineup and the bonus credit will be applied automatically, making it easy to get extra value from your entries. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to One More Guru, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.